G'day guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 here, and today I'm going to show you the easy way to set up your awning. Let's get straight into it. Now, just a personal preference, guys, I prefer to have the zippers up the back so you don't get this wonderful sound as you're driving along if you've got your windows open. So first off, we got to unzip it. Now under here there are 3 straps. So we've got first one, middle one, and then we've got the one up the back. So what I like to do is do the 2 outer ones first, like that, and then you come to the middle and you've got both your hands here to pull it out. Now just unwind it a couple and then you can get access to the poles underneath. This is where I went wrong in my first review of this, is that I was like, well, I've unwound it, now how do I get back to get the poles? Now it is still a bit of a juggle, but now that the poles are out, you can also unwind it just a tad more, like that. And then, so what we do is then make sure we've adjusted the poles to the right lengths. So once we've got it fully unfurled, we'll be able to get it all connected quite quickly and easily. So I'm going to continue to unwrap here. All right, so I've reached the ends. All right. So the awning is now pretty much in the same position you're going to have it. You can extend your poles a bit further now to make sure that you're going to reach to the outer layer. All right, now we can take the legs and place them down on either side. Once we've done that, we can then start to do the little dance, which is extending the poles and inserting them into the little gaps in the holes on each side of your awning. From there, you can then adjust the height by twisting. And you're almost done. Next, it's a simple matter of putting the little Velcro straps on, and that adds extra structural integrity to the whole thing before we actually add the guide ropes. We do this on both sides. And then we just simply add the guide ropes and we're ready to set up for camp. Of course, this one has the LED light strip, which we can then plug in externally through the 12-volt system, and therefore we're ready for camping, other than, you know, cracking a beer or 2 after that. So it's very simple, it's very easy, it's very quick to do. Now, to actually, you know, pack up, it's the reverse order. So there you have it. That was quick and easy. Now I do personally prefer to do it solo, so you don't have this mixed communication of what's actually happening, and therefore it's, you know, quick and easy, as you've seen, if you get a little bit of practice under your belt. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to, if you haven't already, yes, jump on board and subscribe, and of course share the video around. That really helps us out a ton, and I will really appreciate it. Now hopefully you got it down pat yourself, and there you go. I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4, and I'll catch you in the next one.